Hi everybody, this is Dr. Sam Byrne and I'd like to talk to you today about the animal eye chart exercise. This is an exercise that I developed many years ago that's really great for stretching your eye muscles. Because what happens when we get under stress, our eye muscles tighten up, and when they do that, we start to have visual deterioration in our eyeballs. So we have less circulation, less oxygenation, less hydration, and these are factors that can cause eye disease. So let me show you what the chart looks like. This is the animal eye chart that I created. And you'll also need an eye patch like this. So what you'll do is you'll take the eye patch and you put it over your left eye, and then you're going to take the chart and you're going to hold it right up to your nose so that your nose is on the heart or the middle of the animal eye chart. And then you'll begin tracking with your eye, your right eye, moving upwards, following the squiggly line all the way to the top animal, which is called the butterfly. And so you'll move your eye all the way up to the 12 o'clock position and then back down to the center. And then you'll move it to the 1 o'clock animal, following the squiggly line and back to the center. And then you'll repeat this movement all the way around like a clock. So you're going to go in a clockwise rotation, basically out and back to the center. And you're going to move your eye all the way around the animal eye chart until you return to the butterfly at 12 o'clock. Now, some tips when you're moving your eye: it's really important that you're sitting in a comfortable position, that you're focusing on your breathing and your body. One of the principles that I teach from is that you want to bring your body into your visual experience. So feel your sit bones, feel your feet on the ground as you're moving your eye back and forth around the clock. Then you can go in the other direction where, again, you start at the 12 o'clock and then you go to 11 o'clock and then 10 o'clock. So it's always an out and a back to the center movement, being in touch with your body, being in touch with your breathing. Now, after you've done the chart, both in a clockwise and a counterclockwise rotation, what I would like you to do is put the chart down, take the patch off, and I'd like you to look out into your world and feel your eyes. And you're going to notice that the eye that you just stretched is going to feel a lot bigger, a lot more relaxed, probably a lot more comfortable in the eye socket. So once you've made that comparison, then you can patch the right eye, and then of course you're going to repeat the same sequence with the left eye, putting your nose up to the heart of the center of the chart. That's the heart, you'll see it. And then you move your eye, you track it all the way up to the 12 o'clock position and then back down, and then over to 1 o'clock and back to the center, 2 o'clock, back to the center. So then you get to do the left eye as well. So one of the aspects that's really good about this eye stretching activity is that your eye is made of mostly fluid. But if there's tension or stress or compression in the eye tissue, then the fluid begins to solidify and we have less responsiveness in our eye tissue. And this is, again, a precursor for developing many different kinds of eye diseases, from dry eye to glaucoma, macular degeneration, cataracts, and many others. So I would spend about 2 minutes doing the right eye, doing a pause, and then doing 2 minutes with the other eye. Remember to take the eye patch off and put the chart down and compare and look how your eyes are seeing and how they're feeling. So I hope you enjoy the exercise. It's one of my favorite ones.